With the prices of components getting so high, it gets very difficult for someone on a budget to think of building a decent gaming PC. Now you can also go for consoles, but they are way too expensive for what they offer. Not everyone wants to build the most expensive or the very high-end gaming PC. Some of us just want decent gaming experience at 30 plus FPS and have an overall smooth gaming experience and do some light video editing and productivity stuff. If you are someone who wants just that, you're at the very right place. Hey guys, it's Matt here. Today I'm building a PC of a budget around 25 to 30,000 Indian rupees. Don't think of it as a cheap throw-off PC. It is a very good overall PC which can easily push 30 plus FPS at whatever you throw at it and can give you decent overall experience with video editing as well as other productivity stuff. For the CPU, I've chosen Ryzen 3 3200G, which is an APU that comes with Vega 8 graphics inbuilt. If you want to know more about the APUs, you can check out my other video by clicking the I button on the top. Now this CPU comes with 4 cores, 8 threads and can be overclocked up to 4 GHz. I will definitely suggest overclocking this CPU to get the most performance out of this one. The cooler that it comes with is more than enough for this build, so we're not gonna use any other third-party cooler. Moving on to the motherboard, I chose Asus Prime A320 motherboard. Now it is a very good motherboard and it comes in a micro ATX form factor. For this build I'm going with micro ATX form factor, and the cabinet that I chose is also a micro ATX. So once you are done with the building, you will get a decent looking PC with a very small form factor. If the Asus one is not available, you can also go for ASRock's A320M HDV, which is also a great motherboard for the 3200G. For the RAM, I'm choosing XPG's 8 gigs of 3000 MHz RAM. Now, you can also go for any cheaper 2400 MHz RAM, but here's the thing about Ryzen CPUs, they tend to perform better with higher speed memories. You can also check out Jay's 2 cents video on this topic. So it's a good idea to invest in a faster RAM to get the most of your build. Moving to our power supply, I'm using Antec's Atom V450 non-modular power supply. Now this PSU at 2400 is just an amazing deal and you should get it as soon as possible. There is Corsair's VS450 as well, but it seems kind of expensive right now. If you can get it around this price, you can go for that as well. Since this one is a budget build, we have to choose between quantity and quality on storage. You can either go with a 1TB Seagate Barracuda, which is a hard disk, and if your budget allows, you can throw in a 120GB SSD to install your OS and get faster boot times and overall smoother user experience. If you don't want that much storage, you can also go with a 480GB SATA SSD from Crucial, which makes your experience with the PC very fast. So it's up to you what you want to decide, go for it. Now coming to the cabinet that we're talking about, and just look at this cabinet, doesn't it look amazing? This is Fingers RGB Flow C2, which is a micro ATX case and comes with a beautiful RGB LED strip in the front. Now the case choice is all up to you, whatever you want to decide, but I wanted to give it a good looking experience, so I chose the micro ATX case. And with that guys, our build is finally complete. You can check the description for all the components used in this build, and also I've included benchmarks with this PC so you can get an idea of how it performs. So yeah guys, hit the thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Check out the benchmark guys, and yeah, adios.
But keep your foot down. Cue pursuit vehicle. Yeah, the baddie's in a jet plane. So what? You just keep that needle in the red. Maybe do some evasive maneuvers. And the baddie's overshot you and your hero is safe. For now. Good. This is all good stuff.
the stream.
Gotta keep us moving, but calm. Not too rough there, brother.
Ah, shit!
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there? Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Don't say less. Pick the wheel up. Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well,
Get in. I'll tell you. Can we
Not
just
too far
get there?
now.
Stay on this trail.